Yun. So, what's up mga ka-investa? Beryo again, back with another video. What's up? Okay, so papakita ko lang sa inyo yung recent updates sa Bear Fund or yung madalas kong pinapakita sa inyo na portfolio na nag-start at 2M, 2.1M. So, at its peak, nag-peak at around 4.5. Then, recently, I withdrawn some profits around 1.4M, 1.2M. So yun, update ko lang kayo ng mga recent na ginawa ko dito and recent na actions. At the same time, yung mga stocks sa hawak ko and yung mga ginawa kong positions. So yun, just a disclaimer, this is for informational purposes only. Hindi siya, lahat ng stocks na papakita ko dito are not recommendations to buy or sell or to hold or whatever. So lahat to ng pinapakita ko ay for informational purposes only and for documentation purposes only. This to show you that it is possible to make it in the stock market and how to earn in the stock market. At the same time, how to operate as a stock trader in this kind of market environment. So yun, this is my style, this is my twist and my take on how to handle a portfolio. So yun, you can dissect it and you can learn from it, but syempre need nyo ng sarili nyo strategy. So yun, okay. So tapos yung intro. Yan, medyo mahaba yung intro. So intro na ulit. Game. So ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung portfolio currently at 3.4M. So nag-withdraw tayo ng 1.2M nung end of January. This is for personal use and ayun. Kita na. Withdraw ko lang para lang sa sarili, pang sarili. Yan. So ngayon, we're currently at 3.4M. So after withdrawing some profits, yun, may decent gains naman tayo with my current position. I started returning back in trading this portfolio around Feb. So medyo nag-decline pa yung portfolio. So it peaked at 4.7M noong January 5. So at its peak, 4.7M. Then unti-unti nag-decline dahil sa ayun, medyo pangit yung market environment. Hindi ko environment yung basura. Stocks run up. Hindi ko siya kaya i-trade personally. Hindi ko siya preferred. So, ayun. Medyo nag-probe tayo sa iba't ibang stocks na hit yung mga iba't iba nating stop losses. So, yan. It ended at 4.2M. Then, I decided to take some profits. So, I withdrawn around 1.2M, January 29. So, yun. Papagawa tayo ng bahay. And, ayun. Syempre, starting a family. Need ng cash. Yan. Ngayon, Feb 11, slowly climbing up. 3.4M daw ulit. Then, ayun. Let's see if we can break this 4.7M this year. So, ano ba yung mga trades na ginawa ko this Feb? Yun. Okay, so around start tayo dito. So nung binenta ko yung dito, I gained around 1 million on this position. So around 100% gain, 95% gain. So not bad. Kaysen I sold at 680k, 30% gain. Not bad. So all-time high play. I sold at a loss ng around 50k. So I probed at 7.5. So ang bala ko dito is tingin ko mag all-time high ulit, but it failed. So yun, I sold at a loss around 30-cent loss. So 50k. JFC I probed again. So I'm assuming na it will break 200k. 200 pesos. 200 pesos na psychological price. Then, ayun, pabenta ko 193. So, negative 2 point, ay, hindi naman, ayun, negative 28k pala, 2.8. So, yun, 2.62% loss on that position. But relatively, on a portfolio basis, so, nasa around 4M siya. So, around 0.5 bar yung ano niya, yung loss. So, 0.5% lang na portfolio. CNPF, all-time high play as well. So, I probed at, teka lang ha. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, una, MM. Okay. MM. First losing trade after this winning trade. So, negative 50k. I bought at 7.5. So, around dito yan. 7.5. Dito sa area na yan. So, looking back, mukha siyang continuation pattern na inside candle. So, yan yung tinitrade ko na range. So, binili ko yung 7.5. Then, yun. Pakatlos tayo. Yun. Not bad. Dahil, ayun, mas malaki magiging losses natin if we rode. Pag sinakyan natin yung stock, papuntang 6.4 or 6.4 pesos. Yan. Next, loss is JFC. So, yan na, full transparency, guys, yung bear fund. Full transparency. Talo, panalo, break even, or kung ano man. So, dito natin yan tinrade. Binili natin tong area na yan. So, I assumed and I probed that this is the support, 194, dahil yan nga, low volatility, squeeze, at the same time, nasa MA50 support yan, I think. Then, yan. Binili ko tong breakout na yan. Breakout na itong range na yan. 10-day range. Pag breakout, sinupalpal. Yun. Good sell na rin. Good cut na rin. Dahil kita nyo naman 178 pesos na. So, yun. Putol daliri lang. Hindi putol kamay. Okay, next. CNPF. I assume that this will go all-time high. So, all-time high prices nasa around 19 pesos, 19.30. So, binili ko yung price point na 19 pesos. Yan. So, pag breakout dito sa range na yan, binili ko na 19 pesos dito somewhere dyan. So, medyo nagabol pa nga ako. So, price cut ko 18.37. Then, ayun. Medyo nag-overshoot pa yung average sell ko. So, yun. Nag-overshoot. Dahil ayun, medyo malaki yung size kung ko-consider ko yung lahat ng portfolio. So, inunti-unti ko. Hinuli ko tong port na to. So, end of day na ako halos sa pabenta. Yun. So, next, MM again. So, round 2. Tinry ko na all-time high play again, 745. Ended up at a loss na 733. So, tight cut, negative 11k. Yan. So, alam nyo naman na paano nangyari dyan. Dito, I tried to buy at 12.31. So, tinignan ko na yun ay pullback niya, 12 pesos. Yun dito. So from at its peak, tinry ko na bilhin to. Itong trendline break na yan. Dito yan, 12.30. So, binili ko to atang candle na to, or ito. Yan. Binili ko yan. Then, ayun. Ended up na cut loss dito sa area na yan. So, yun. Kita nyo naman, nakapag-buyback naman tayo. PHA, loss again. So, bounce play gone na wrong. Next, nickel. Ayun, multi-year high. Nickel. So, kung titignan mo yung big picture ni nickel, ito siya. Okay, gawin natin weekly. So, at the weekly, multi-year high breakout siya, di ba? Yan. Dito. So, tinry ko siyang i-buy back dito sa area na yun. Sa continuation pattern na yun. So, I think binili ko siya 3.54. Tama ba? 3.54. What? Mali pala. So, nag-take profit na ako dito. Yan. So, medyo matagal ko na pala hawak tong nickel. So, 350 pa lang, nandun na ako. So, dito pa lang. Yan. Lilito na ako. So, mga port na hawak. Yan. So, nandito pa lang, binili ko na siya. Actually, dito pa lang yan. Then, nag-transhop lang ako somewhere dyan. Transhop lang ako dyan, somewhere dyan. Sa mga dips. So, kita nyo naman, clear channel yan. Clear channel. So, buy on support. Binili ko lang tong console range. Then, ayun. Add up while on the way up. Then, ayun. Nag all-time high. Na-hit yung tail stop ko. Sold at again. 500 peso gain. 500,000 peso gain. With a decent profit percentage of 26%. So, yun. Closed my trade at nickel. Nag-slide down. So, I thought it was a good sell. Pero, ganun talaga. Hindi mo masasabi eh. Nag-ingat lang din ako. Pero, yun. Nag-bounce din. So, my buyback strategy, if masustain tong range na yan, yung 550 to 570 range. So, I'm looking at a square root pattern dito. A square root recovery pattern. Or, pwede ring V-shaped pattern. Then, look for a continuation pattern here. So, yan. Nickel futures, doing good naman. 18K na ata ngayon. So, may good enough catalyst pa rin tong nickel for me. So, yun. Keeping my tabs sa nickel. FGen, all-time high play na gone wrong din. FGen, looking at FGen. All-time high is around 31.80. So, doon ko siya binili sa all-time high breakout. Or prior the all-time high breakout. So, yun, 31 pesos ko siya nabili. Sold at a loss, 30.38. Gain na siya, but ganun talaga. Di lahat ng breakouts nasusustain. So, ngayon, nasusustain naman tong 30 pesos. So, what we want to see is mag-consolidate dito sa 31 area. 30 to 31 area. Then, breakout. So, yun. Hindi pa naman siya deads for me. Yung green, okay, next. Green. Yung green, goods na sana eh. Goods na sana. Dahil nabili ko siya dito eh. Okay, tanggalin ko lang to. Yung green, nabili ko siya sa trendline breakout. Dito sa 260 to 80 area. Okay, 290. Doon ko siya binili. 290. Nasakyan ko yung run-up niya, but may isang big red candle na nangyari. Ito yung basura sell-off. So, ito yung first day ng basura sell-off. Isa ako sa mga nagbenta dyan. Yun. Next, DFNN. Medyo bobo trade to. Honestly, pakita ko lang yung DFNN trade. So, yung DFNN, ano ba yung negosyo niya? Yung negosyo ni DFNN, online casino payment something. So, looking at it, meron siyang yan, balipunta lang natin dito. Not to hype DFNN, but isa to sa mga buying reasons ko. So, yan, tignan nyo na lang yung ano na yan, yung disclosure na yan. So, in this disclosure, nakasaad na 2 months ago pa na meron siyang PAGCOR license to operate remote gaming platform. So, yung yung, ano ba yun? Launches in play. Yan. So, tingnan nyo na lang. So, yung trade idea ko dito is dahil sa malaking cross na to, di ba nakita nyo tong candle na to? Kita nyo tong candle na to. Yan. So, mayroong malaking volume. May volume spike. So, volume spike buy siya na buying signal sa akin. So, inassume ko na parang okay, ito na to. Meron ng volume. Most likely, mag-multiple ceilings na siya. Baka i-price in na or hanapin na yung or pumasok na yung buyers dito sa DFNN. So, yun. Binili ko siya at the open, pare. Mga pare. Binili ko siya at the open. 6.49. Then, sold at 5.75. So, yan. Bobo move. But thank God for position sizing. Dahil you only lost around 37k or around less than 1% ng portfolio natin. Yun. So, main point, risk-reward lang. Nag-risk ako ng gantong amount. Meron akong set na stops. Yung stops ko is at around 550 eh. 550. So, pinangunahan ko na 575. So, I'm willing to risk 40,000 pesos for a potential return of around 80,000 pesos or more. So, yun. Parang siyang experimental trade actually. Ayun. So, mali. But, thank God for position sizing. So, sa mga wala pang alam sa position sizing, again, you can go to Investagrams.com/learn. So, by going dito sa InvestaUniversity, lahat to free Kung gusto niyo matuto mag-trade sa mga wala pang alam, sa mga napadpad lang sa video na to, you can look at this page, investagrams.com/learn. So, lahat yan, libre, guys. Wala kaming sisingilin sa inyo. Lahat ng gusto nyo matutunan about trading, nandyan na. From risk profile, from funda, from TA, technical analysis, to risk management, and the strategies and execution. So, nandyan na. It's for your taking na lang. Bigyan nyo na ng oras, bigyan nyo ng panahon habang nagsisipilyo manood kayo ng InvestaLearn, ng Univ, habang nakakain, habang nabiyahe. Yan, bigyan nyo lang ng panahon. So, yun. Yun lang. Anyway, nag-commercial lang tayo, no? So, next. After that, DFNN, dito naman. Dito, loss again. Almost break-even stops. PHA gain. ABA gain. So, alam nyo na yung storya niyan. So, yung PHA, bounce trade at 2.13. Hindi ko na maximize yung benta dito. Supposedly, dapat 250 yung benta ko. 280. So, yung ABA, binili ko at the open nung nilabas yung digital payment, yung digital bank na story. So, I tried to ride multiple selling but hindi siya nangyari. So, yun. Almost break-even. SECB, big loss, 48k. Around 1% VAR to. So, tinry ko i-trade yung SECB dahil looking at SECB, ganda yung structure niya. Dahil from accumulation, nagkaroon ng rally, then nag-pull back. So, tinry ko i-trade to. Yan. Tinry ko i-trade ata to. Yung downtrend line breakout na yan. So, yun. Ended at a loss. I think nag-oversize ako dito. So, ayun. After that, I withdrawn some profits just to be sure. Then, ayun. Nandito na tayo ulit. Riding dito. So, dito recommendation to buy. So, So, let's see saan tayo dalhin ng stock na to. And saan dadalhin yung portfolio ko. So, looking at my analytics, all in all, yan, good edge ratio, 13. Hindi ko lang sure kung tama tong ano ko. Pero yan. Big gains, small losses. Big gains on average, small losses. A recipe for success. Net PNL, 2.1M. So, 100% from starting. Expectancy per trade is 79K. So, around 79K yung ikikitain ko per trade. Yun. So, yung expectancy, guys, yan yung expected return per trade with the use of average profits, losses, and win-loss percentage. So, kung titignan mo yung accuracy ko, no, mababa yung win rate ko or yung hit rate ko. So, kung titignan mo, 3 out of 10 trades lang ako tama. So, most of the time, I'm wrong. But when I'm right, I win big. Yan. Average trade length, 16.36 days. So, yun. Emphasize ko lang, doesn't mean na lagi kang talo o lagi kang talo, ano ka na, magiging losing trader ka na. Hindi ganun yun. Ang importante, pag tama ka, you win big. Tignan mo average profit. Tignan mo yung average loss. Just make sure na kapag talo ka, maliit lang yung loss mo. 'Di ba? No nonsense naman yun, 'di ba? Parang common sense yun. Win big, lose small. Then, yun. So, let's see kung ma-rate natin tong 4.7M na all-time high na itong bear fund. So, yun. That's all. I hope may natutunan kayo. Ingat kayo and God bless. Thank you and bye-bye.